Hey guys, Huda here from .comgal.com, and today I'm coming to you with a new video about CPA offers that pay the most. So what are the highest paying CPA offers or niches or verticals? There are certain verticals in CPA that pay really high commissions, and I'm going to go through a few of those to show you in order for you to make bigger commissions. Of course, you are free to choose the email submits or zip submits, but they really pay very low commissions, like $1, $1.50 or $3. But there are some offers that actually pay you more than $300, sometimes $500, depending on how the offer converts. So let's get started with this. First, we're gonna go to the finance niche. The financial niche, and that is everything related to credit scores and payday loans and personal loans. Let's have a look at some of the payday loan offers, for example, or loans in general, and do a quick search here. So let's filter by CPA rate. As you can see here, we have here, for example, small business loans, and it pays $280 per lead. Okay, 120, 98. These are pretty high commissions, and all that the person needs to do is to basically apply for a loan, right? So let's have a look at another vertical. The other one is health. So some health product as well pay high commissions. So for example, this one offers $170. Sometimes it's per sale, sometimes it's per lead. Most of the health offers, I have to say this, most of the health offers are actually per sale. Now, the next vertical I want to talk about is insurance. Let's go to insurance and see the kind of rates that they're offering. So I got a couple here. And as you can see here, $140, $22, they're higher than, the average. Look at this, $90, $640. So insurance offers also pay high commissions. Then let's go to BizOp. Now, BizOp has a lot of different commission types. Some of them, again, are per sale, some of them are rev share, and some of them are per lead. There are some of them that offer really small commissions, as you can see here, $2, $3. That's per lead, per sign up. Basically, it's a CPL kind of thing, cost per lead. Like you bring a lead for the client and you get paid for it. That's very easy to do, but some of them are per sale, and look at this, they're paying $600 per sale or per lead. Next, we're going to look at dating. The dating offers also have a very high potential to making you a lot of money if you know how to drive traffic to them. As you can see here, again, very high paying commissions, $160, over $100, and even the ones that are lower are very high compared to other niches. And finally, let's look at real estate. Now, real estate also has some offers that pay really high commission. Look at this, $300, $320, sorry. So as you can see, real estate offers also pay high commissions. Now, very important thing to keep in mind when promoting CPA offers is choosing the right traffic source. Not every traffic source will work for every offer. For example, if you are using one or two specific traffic sources, like maybe Bing ads or Facebook ads or both, you need to speak to your affiliate manager. You need to always be in touch with your affiliate manager to ask them what offers do well on that specific traffic platform. So ask your affiliate manager what they can recommend for you to promote, what offers are doing well on the network in general, and then ask them what platform or what kind of traffic they're doing well on. I mean, is it PPC? Is it social? Is it display? Or if you have a specific traffic source that you are always using, for example, I like to use Bing a lot. So I always ask my manager, so what do you think is going well with Bing in this vertical or that vertical? So it's always good to keep a good relationship with them And of course, ask for help every time you need help. So there you go, guys. These are the best and highest paying CPA offers and niches that you can find. This is Max Bounty. So of course, it depends on your own CPA network. But mainly in general, these are the highest paying offers that you can find in these niches. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave me a comment, hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.